know that 90% of the startup fail in first 5 years of their entrepreneurial journey, and a mainstream education couldn't teach them how to survive in the real world. And here's the role of coaching industry comes in picture, and that's how people are actually believing on coaching rather than degrees and just having that mainstream education. Do you know the fact that by 2025 only in India the coaching industry is projected 20,000 crore growth, and this is only a fact from India. Now, why coaching industry is just exploiting? What is the hack behind this? All these things we are going to discuss in today's video. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Neeta and I'm India's first holistic success coach for educators and entrepreneurs. So let's understand what is the importance of coaching in our life. Now, here we have seen the real fact. How many startups are starting their businesses, and then as they are not getting right purpose, right direction, right tools, right resources, and because of which they could not continue their journey. Why this happened? Because it was started at a very surface level. They tried tools and techniques which they were knowing, which they were received through this traditional education system, which actually won't work when they really enter in the real world. So it's not only that skill or that hard skill, that knowledge which you have gained, you need to work on so many things. Again, it's not only your maybe energies or your mindset, it's both. So there should be a proper balance, and here exactly the role of holistic success coaching comes in picture. We work to understand, give you clarity about your purpose. We make you understand what is your passion. Then we work on alignment of these two so that you get that foolproof formula, that foolproof picture, what exactly you are good at, what is your life purpose, and why you should actually do what you are doing. And whatever you are doing, whether you are getting that inner peace, inner satisfaction from that, because once these two parameters get settled, actually prosperity is the byproduct. You will automatically achieve lots and lots of success if these two things get fixed. And here is the role of success coaching comes, that we help you to align your purpose with your passion and generate and create lots of positive transformation in your life. And for making you understand my process, I'm going to reveal my awakened framework in my upcoming event, that is SGS 2025. What is SGS? It is Success Growth Summit. It's happening in June 25, 2025 in Hotel Shivar Garden at Pimpla Saudagar, Pune. So 9 to 5 is the timing. Please do attend and get lot of bonuses worth rupees 50,000 you could actually get after registering for this event. In this event, actually you will get like-minded people, so opportunity to network with educators, trainers, coaches, and a different kind of edupreneurs and entrepreneurs. Of course, apart from that, you will get 1 year membership of our educators club community. Apart from that, you will get some ebooks, some recorded courses, and that day's course material. That whole day refreshment is also included in the ticket. Ticket price is only 999. The offer is limited for limited period, and also seats are very limited. So it's a last call for the enrollment for my upcoming event SGS 2025. So till then, stay tuned. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.